And well, everybody, this is now well in 30 minutes into the game. And it's been definitely look like it's already been snowing for hours. But this is just 30 minutes into this snowstorm. And it just looks like it's just warming itself up. Now, I've seen winters in here so far where this would look like a dusting of multiple days piled up in many days worth of work of snow, but this is again just happening within the first 30 minutes. 30 minutes, everybody, and I'm just shooting this straight out of my door here with a few zoomings here, and not before long, this is some stuff that will cause some neighborhoods going into some serious standstill. And 30 minutes in, there ain't no telling what this is going to be like after 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I'll see if I can get you some more running updates after this whole thing will stop at approximately 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock this afternoon. And we're going to be probably piling up some snowman here in this neighborhoods with no problem. Again, 30 minutes in plus. And we're just getting started.